48 hours in San Francisco, which means I'm in charge of the itinerary, or non-itinerary as it may be. So we started things off by heading for a run in Golden Gate Park. I feel like a run is the best way to start the day in a new city. You get to see heaps of stuff fast, plus you get your runner's high to start the day. But if you're not into running, you can always grab one of the mini buses that come here to Golden Gate Park and then wander around the park, or check out one of the rented bicycles they've got around the city. Just heading back out of the park now to go find some coffee and something to take back for breakfast. If you didn't already know, San Francisco is known for its hills. So it's all uphill on the way from our accommodation by Alamo Square to the park. But as Isaac Newton once famously said, if you run uphill, eventually you get to go down again.
Okay, so we grabbed coffees on the way back to the accommodation, in the process of getting caffeinated. Then we're going to head back out and continue to explore here in San Francisco. Just before we do though, let me just put this coffee down. I just wanted to share the view from our accommodation here on Fulton Street. Check this out.
Cool, so we've been in for a quick shower and a change, and now we're ready to hit the streets. So the plan for the day is that we're not looking to see any specific thing, any museums or any tourist attractions. We're just going to go out for a wander, by which I mean spending the next 6 to 8 hours walking as many streets as possible. It's really my favorite thing to do whenever we visit a city, is just to walk and walk. I feel like the word wander implies there's no set route for the day. We're just gonna see a street we like and head down it. But that said, this is our only full day in San Francisco, and I don't want to waste it. So we've done a little bit of planning out of the rough direction of the neighborhoods we want to explore. So we're here at the Blue Dot, right next to Alamo Square, very conveniently located. We're gonna head off to the southwest, try and see some Haight-Ashbury. At some point, turn south, head into the Castro, maybe keep walking south if we fancy it, into Dolores Heights in the No Valley. And if we've got time, at some point we'll turn back east into the Mission District.
So we're starting off the walk here in Alamo Square, which is right next to our accommodation, so really handy. And behind me here are the Painted Ladies. Apparently they were made famous by an American sitcom called Full House. Admittedly, I've never seen it. I think I may have heard of it, but yeah, that's what Ash tells me. Full House. So in one of the gourmet stores just back here, I was attracted to this Tony's chocolate purely for the wrapper, and then looking at it, reading, it says it's fair trade, and this one is
32% milk chocolate, caramel, sea salt. Lots of ingredients. We'll see how it is. Lots of sea salt. Haight-Ashbury, apparently San Francisco's original hippie district and the birthplace of the Beats. Love is strong.
Just stopped off Goodwill and did a quick bit of shopping, so I bought myself a new second-hand shirt, more so for Boise in Idaho where we're going next, as it's going to be much colder there than it is here in San Francisco. And Ash bought a couple of items too.
Is it good?
Hot.
This truly massive burrito has made up for the fact that we haven't actually eaten breakfast or lunch today. For $8, I am very, very full and very happy, but somehow we've managed to finish. San Francisco seems to do well at putting in lots of little squares and parks. We've just made it to Mission Dolores Park here just before sunset. So we've made it to Hayes Valley, apparently home to many a Michelin star restaurant. A bit beyond our budget and our wardrobes, so we're heading to see City Hall all lit up to cap off the night. And that's a wrap for day one. 8 hours of walking later, we're back at our accommodation. Still suffering from some serious jet lag, so we're gonna turn in for an early night so we can get up early to hit tomorrow, wandering around some of the waterfront. I was feeling